What's happening, guys? This is Akash Rishi again. And today I'm gonna show you my Philips PC speakers 2.0 SPA20. These are just really good speakers. These have stereo sounds and a USB plug for power. Yeah, they don't have any battery and any kind of rose. I bought it around for rupees 600. As you can see here, it works with PC as well as Mac. It has a USB power and 3.5mm audio connector. On the back it's the same. And this side it's the same all over. So let's get right into it, guys. Now here we can see, I just opened the box and you can see we have the two speakers. It's not the regular unboxing. I've actually used this stereo for about a month. So just kind of unboxing. So you can see these two looks very good. This is black and around black, and the above is wood. That's why I bought it, because it has a wood sound. That's a good sound. As you can see, the Philips logo here. On the back downside, these are 4 holders so that it stay on its place. It's plain wood furnish. Sides and cable. So let's see the cable, guys. So the cable actually seems to be like this. One is USB and one is 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's see the back, guys. The main speaker has 2 cables, which is like this, attached here. So you can see these are really good headphones. Really good speakers. So let's test this sound, guys. Now guys, let's check the sound. I've actually plug in this to my phone, and then the 3.5mm jack to my iPad. So let's check the sound. I don't want to get into any legal issues. This is quite nice sound. If you play any song in it, it's a really good headphone for around 600 bucks. These are very good. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new, so I want to grow over and over again. I will do. Actually, this my channel is for food, tech, and tech reviews. Food, tech, and games reviews. So right now I'm doing the tech review, but food review also come very soon. So thank you, guys. Hope you like my channel. You like my video.